Alright, today was cleaning day of the trailer. A little bit of organization and some more modifications and repairs. So I thought I'd give you a tour of what the trailer looks like today. Previous video we repaired the floor of those cubbies up there to support the weight of gear storage. So I have 6 baskets up there, 7 baskets up there with odd shaped bottles and boxes that don't fit anywhere else. Removed the little webbing nets, even though I liked putting my glasses and hairbrush and other things into it. They were falling apart and they wouldn't stay up. They kept pulling the screws out, so they got removed. So Sign Girl did a really good job of thoroughly scrubbing the entire trailer. Everything got taken out and scrubbed and cleaned. She even cleaned the screens on the doors. So here's the back here. We got all this here. We got some few things hanging on this dovetail for the rear ramp door for now. The plan is to, from here to here is about 8.5 inches, and I'd like to put shelves all the way across the back temporarily until we can replace the ramp door with a sheet metal storage box, which is to come. I'm just talking to vendors about getting it done. So this is what we're looking at here. Here's the other side. And I've relocated and changed how my suitcases are. I've got them standing up so that my bed can now just pull straight out. Whereas before I had to flip it up, unfold it, turn it around, and pull it out. And it was kind of a hassle, especially at night. If Sign Girl was in the tent upstairs sleeping and I was trying to move things around, that was not a happy time. So, and then Sign Girl's clothes. So that's just a short tour of the trailer. Hope you liked it.